How to fix duplicate apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So one of the ways to fix duplicate apps on Android is simply to tap on the settings application on your device. Scroll down and select on apps over here and tap on dual apps. Now make sure that you toggle off the option for any of the dual app or duplicate app that you have created. So here in this case, Discord has been given that access. So simply toggle off this option. And as you do that, you might see that your issue has been fixed. But if that doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is simply launch the Play Store application on your device and delete the original app itself. So when you delete the original app, the duplicate app also gets inaccessible. So you can simply try that one out, and if that doesn't fix the issue, you can simply make a long press on power button and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.